Apparently I didn't make a video regarding the IBM T42 laptop where you power it on and you're stuck on the splash screen, BIOS doesn't load up. I've actually already replaced this once, but I must have done that maybe on a Facebook post. Maybe I didn't know because it's so common. I think you can find it on at least a couple other, there's YouTube videos out there. But I figured I'd document this little trick where I'm just using a Duracell locally found, locally sourced 2332 cell. What I did was I just took needle nose, pulled off the connectors, flattened them with the flat part, and then I took a razor blade and I slit on the side both these plastic shrink wrap because I don't have, and I'll just cover them back up and tape with electrical tape.